Abu Dhabi National Oil Company is a world leader in the field of oil and gas. Comprised of 16 subsidiary companies, our goal is to find, produce and market the natural resources on which the modern world relies.
This is Adnoc.
Adnoc is the driving force and main contributor to the UAE's phenomenal transformation. Producing around 2.7 million barrels of oil each day for the global market, it has propelled Abu Dhabi onto the world stage at an unprecedented speed. The most talented people and the most advanced technology combine to make Adnoc a multi-layered company that has become a symbol of Abu Dhabi's success. Adco is one of the founding companies of Abu Dhabi's oil and gas story. A pioneer in the field of research and development, always ready to explore new, environmentally responsible ways to harvest the Earth's natural resources. Adco is charged with exploring, developing and producing hydrocarbons from onshore fields across the Emirates. Al Dabaya is one of Adco's newest sites, with 2 oil production trains, small well clusters and cutting-edge technology that optimizes reservoir management. Operating around a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Adco is a role model in working sustainably and responsibly with the Shoreline Mangrove Nursery and planting programs that ensure the protection and survival of the local habitats and endangered species. Offshore companies Adnoc and Zadco extend upstream exploration and production, operating across the vast Sheikh and Zakum fields. ADNOC's state-of-the-art supercomplexes sit on some of the largest reservoirs of oil and gas in the world. While Zadco's new artificial islands are providing an inventive way to extend offshore and explore the clear turquoise waters of the Arabian Gulf. A series of modern safe pipelines connect output of oil and gas from these fields to the neighbouring islands of Zirka and Daz for processing. Zirka Island is a fast expanding industrial base of Zadco. It is here that processing, storage and export of Zadco's crude oil takes place. The island boasts an impressive array of native wildlife, including migratory birds and hawksbill turtles that Adnoc takes great care to protect. Nearby, Daz Island has been a strategic base for Adnoc and the operational heart of AdGas since the beginning of Abu Dhabi's oil and gas story. It is one of the largest living offshore industrial sites in the world, with ambitious extension projects underway that will soon double its size. Adnoc process and export over 200 million tonnes of crude oil from Daz Island annually. It's currently executing 3 mega projects to develop Sata Al Rasbot, Nazur and Lulu fields. The developed scheme includes the construction of 2 artificial islands. AdGas is the first LNG producer in the whole Middle East. It processes and exports around 8 million tonnes of LNG, LPG and natural gas per year. This figure is set to rise with the completion of the Integrated Gas Development Project, an Adnoc initiative that will combine offshore and onshore gas outputs to satisfy Abu Dhabi's growing gas demand. Gasco is the onshore counterpart of this ambitious project. Currently one of the largest gas processing companies in the world, it specialises in the extraction of natural gas liquids from the associated and natural gas. Habsham 5 is one of Gasco's newest and most important sites, processing a range of products including methane, ethane and propane. From day into night, men and machines monitor the flow and distribution of gas and condensate at this site. State-of-the-art control centres track these products through hundreds of kilometres of interconnected pipelines. Al Hossein Gas was established to develop and maintain the vast Shah gas field in Liby's western region. With development, drilling and construction underway, the plant will soon handle up to 1 billion cubic feet of gas a day. We are building a new pipeline to connect Abu Dhabi oil facilities to Fujairah port on the Gulf of Oman. Exporting nearly half of the UAE's crude oil, the strategic pipeline that bypasses the Hormuz Straits ends OPEC's total dependence on the narrow shipping route out of the Gulf. On-site drilling is executed by one of Adnoc's oldest companies, NDC, the National Drilling Company. Having drilled over 4,000 wells since it was established in 1972, NDC has a vast expertise in the field, and it uses the most advanced technology to minimise the environmental impact of its work. Gasco's Habsham plant and eventually Shah field of Al Hossein gas will both feed directly through Ruwais, an area vast becoming the focus of Adnoc's diversification. The Ruwais industry area is an impressive example of Adnoc's incredible growth. 240 kilometres west of Abu Dhabi, Ruwais has become a major hub for Adnoc's operations. Adnoc Distribution runs an extensive network of service stations for all types of fuels, lubricants and support services, in addition to Adnoc's Oasis convenience stores. The company also refuels aeroplanes and ships. It has also launched a campaign to convert vehicles to work on natural gas, which is available in many stations run by the company. Takrir operations cover crude oil and condensate refining and supply of petroleum products. Ruwais and Abu Dhabi's refineries constitute Takrir's core business. They produce over 23 million tonnes per year of products for the local and export markets. By 2014, Takrir will double its refining capacity with commissioning of the Ruwais refinery. Adopting the latest technologies, Borouge has developed an innovative way of manufacturing plastics from waste gases. These plastics can be used to make many products, from giant pipelines to tiny bottle tops. What was once waste gas polluting the atmosphere is now utilised for the greater good by fertiliser manufacturers Fertile.
By utilizing waste gases, we are helping to feed the world. This is Adnoc.
The quality products from Borouge and Fertile are marketed globally and shipped across the world. Adnoc support companies Esnad and Ershad are on hand at all times across all companies to assist with port-side activities and other day-to-day Adnoc operations.
We support all aspects of our oil and gas industry. This is Adnoc.
Adnoc Group of companies depends on Adnatco Engesco, which is the shipping arm of the group, delivering oil and gas products to the outside world, thanks to its comprehensive fleet, qualified workforce and the world-class HSE standards. As Adnoc industries in Ruwais and Abu Dhabi grow, so does its community. Adnoc has committed to developing and looking after its growing number of staff and their families.
Caring for people in the community is what we do. This is Adnoc.
Adnoc staff are taken care of professionally and socially with the host of activities and events including sport, culture, arts and many more. Workers' well-being and safety is central to Adnoc's vision and plans, now and for the future. Taking the words and wisdom from the late Sheikh Zayed as inspiration, Adnoc is committed to investing in people and is nurturing the next generations by providing UAE nationals and international students with outstanding opportunities and learning.
My school gives me the skills to build my country's future. This is Adnoc.
Glen Elg School covers the entire school curriculum from kindergarten to 12th grade. The Petroleum Institute offers students degree-level qualifications in petroleum-related science and engineering courses.
We are the future of science and engineering. This is Adnoc.
ATI provides exemplary vocational education to young UAE nationals who aspire to a career in the oil and gas industry. Students are taught solid practical skills, which they will later apply at one of Adnoc's companies. Adnoc has come a long way since the historic creation of the United Arab Emirates in 1971. Today, thanks to our workforce and leadership under His Highness Sheikh Khalifa and the Supreme Petroleum Council, our future has never looked more prosperous and secure. The inspiration for the direction of our company always begins with our late great leader, Sheikh Zayed, God rest his soul. As a company, we strive to continuously push forward while staying true to our forebearers' ideals and wisdoms.
We are proud to build our country's future. This is Adnoc.